The correct answer is letter C. She's writing an email to the client right now.
The correct answer is letter A. Are you attending the conference this afternoon?
The correct answer is letter A. Why are you looking at me like that?
The correct answer is letter B. He isn't wearing his ID badge.
The correct answer is letter C. Am I interrupting you?
The correct answer is letter B. Why is she whispering during the lesson?
The correct answer is letter A. She is applying for a scholarship this semester.
The correct answer is letter C. She isn't acknowledging the problem.
The correct answer is letter B. The team isn't cooperating today.
The correct answer is letter A. I am checking my voicemail.
The correct answer is letter B. I'm not understanding the instructions.
The correct answer is letter C. Why are they postponing the meeting again?
The correct answer is letter C. She is handling the customer's complaint right now.
The correct answer is letter A. She isn't participating in the discussion.
The correct answer is letter A. Are we upgrading the software this week?
The correct answer is letter B. I am improving my pronunciation.
The correct answer is letter C. She isn't organizing the team meeting.
The correct answer is letter A. Daniel and Pam aren't attending the training this week.
The correct answer is letter B. Are we submitting the application online or handing it in?
The correct answer is letter A. Are we picking up the supplies or are they dropping them off?
Hey English Go Getter, you finished the quiz. Now click the link in the description to download the free worksheet. And if you want, share your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. And I'll see you in the next video, English Go Getter.